Acting President Dr. Mohadi is publicly lauded businessman Chivhayo for his philanthropy, even as critics continue to question the source of Chivhayo's wealth and his controversial business dealings. Salabina Mashkobda Yugapango Chinzi Mohadi praises Chivhayo despite questions over controversial funds. Subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tipina Manaumo Chinzi. Speaking yesterday in Harare during the handover of buses to Highlanders Football Club, Dudley Ho Primary School, and John Landangomo High School, Dr. Mohadi described Chivhayo's gesture as a model of societal contribution. In a quote, philanthropy is not limited to financial contributions, but it is about investing in the future growth of communities. Dr. Mohadi said, Mr. Chivhayo's gesture demonstrates the profound impact philanthropy can have on society and reminds us that every citizen have a role to play in uplifting communities. He added that Chivhayo's commitment to giving back set an inspiring example for others to follow. Mohadi further stressed that the bus donations were more than transport. They embody community spirit, a shared vision for progress, and a commitment to strengthening education and sport as pillars of national development. The praise comes amid lingering controversies surrounding Chivhayo, who has faced allegations over questionable funding sources and high-profile failed projects. Critics have argued that glorifying his contributions risks normalizing the use of opaque wealth for public recognition. Despite these concerns, Mohadi focused on the positive optics of the donation, framing it as a demonstration of generosity and civic responsibility. While philanthropy is commendable, it should never obscure the need for scrutiny and responsible sourcing of funds. One civic commentator said, highlighting the tension between public praise and ethical accountability. Chivhayo's handover, backed by Mohadi's endorsement, underscores a broader debate over the role of controversial figures in shaping public narratives through high-profile donations, particularly in a country grappling with economic challenges and governance concerns. Thomas Kwanobra chitagwa pankwa ine pamsoro pa comment inopiwa na Mohadi achipreza Chivhayo. Pena comment section yedu za furo enye motuli pamsoro chitko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.